When you register at laspiritsawards.com, you gain access to your own Entrant Control Panel. Let's look at just a few of the Control Panel's features. First, it makes entering your products super simple. You'll enter your first product by entering all its details, but if you've entered LA Spirits Awards in the past, you can resubmit them this year with just a few clicks using our return entry choice. And once you've entered one product, our Clone and Edit feature quickly pre-fills the entry form with all of its info, so all you need to do is change a few details to enter the next one. It's a huge time saver if you're entering a line of similar products like flavored vodkas or whiskeys of different ages. The control panel displays your entire LA Spirits Awards entry history for your review or re-entry. You can download copies of your printed award certificates, free medallion images, and customizable social media templates. And you can tap into a variety of useful entrant resources or information about LA Spirits Awards' various strategic partners. That's our tour. Cheers!